Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this sweet fennel seeds, and these are the big sweet fennel seeds and they're coated with something sweetness and some colors, as you can see. So in Hindi it is known as saunf, and it is from a brand known as Meena Taste Meets Quality. So that's their logo, you could say. Tagline. Ingredients: fennel seeds, flavoring and permitted colors. That's it, they have added in it. And it is a product of Muscat, Oman. So let's not waste much time and let's open it. These are looking very beautiful, so colorful, and they are in so many other colors also available, but I go for these one. Now I'm gonna show you by pouring it in a spoon. Nice, beautiful, isn't it? You wanna taste it? Please guys, try it. Very yum, very tasty. It is giving very good flavor inside your mouth. After having food you can have this, no smell, nothing will come from your mouth, and it's very tasty. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.